Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to play YouTube in the background on iOS 14 as well as 13. It's actually very easy to do. All you have to do is go over to Safari. Unfortunately, it does not work on the YouTube application as of right now. But if we just go over to Safari and go over to YouTube, we're just going to find a video that we want to play in the background, whether it's a music video or just a normal video, whatever you're looking to listen to. So what you want to do when you're on Safari is you want to go to the top left corner where you see the two A's, click on the two A's and then click on Request Desktop Website. This will bring us over to the desktop website for YouTube. Then we're just going to click on any video that we want to watch and we're going to click on play. Once we have the video open like this, we just want to click on pause just for the time being. And then what we're going to do is we're going to exit out of the application just by swiping up or clicking on your home button. Then we're going to swipe down or swipe up to access our control center, regardless of what phone you're on. And then you guys will notice that you can still click on play in the top right corner. So if you just click on play, you'll notice the video will start playing in the background. Very cool. And I'll also exit out of the control center and show you guys that it still works even if control center is closed. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to go over some home screen customization widgets and icons and some very cool. Now this also does work if you guys lock your phones as well. I'm unable to lock my phone just because I'm screen recording right now. But if you guys were to lock your phone as well, you'll also be able to play it from your lock screen and keep your screen off to save battery, which is really great. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to play YouTube in the background on your iPhones. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.